All right, with the shoulder brush off, there's basically two things going on here. You're brushing your shoulders off, all right, alternating from shoulder to shoulder. Now, when you do this, don't try to force the movement, just let it come naturally. Just quite literally think that you're actually just flicking something off your shoulder. Like there's a little something there and you're like, ooh, get off me. That's the best way to do it. You don't want to like turn it into a dance move because then it doesn't look like a dance move, okay? So keep the arms natural, yeah? All right, relaxed. Now with the feet, this is the tricky part. So as you do the shoulder brush off, there's like a sitting in and a knee raise, okay? So when I say sitting in, I mean, there's a, hey, what's up? Come in a little closer. Yeah, closer, come on, come here. All right, if you want access to the full tutorial, check this out. Hit me up in the link below and I'm offering everybody that's watching this video a free 1-week trial. You can access all my tutorials, okay? I've got like literally hundreds and hundreds of tutorials in a huge library online and they're all the full versions. I'll give you 1 week as much as you want, no strings attached. Just create your free account basically and then go nuts. You can even chat with me one-on-one. I'm online every single day of the week and I'm answering people's DMs all the time. So you can message me with practice footage. It's just crazy. Like I will literally watch you doing these tutorials and I will give you my personal notes on how you can improve. So take advantage of the free one-on-one coaching I'm offering you. All right, so hit me up below on that link. And I'm just genuinely looking forward to working with everyone because I want to share this dance style far and wide. So the more people that I can see, the better. Let's go, guys. See you in there.